Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Waterdrop G3P600 reverse osmosis system, a high-performance 8-stage tankless row water filtration system with NSF/ANSI 42, 58, and 372 certifications, a 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio, Smart LED Faucet, and compact undersink design. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for clean, great tasting, and reliably filtered water straight from your kitchen, the Waterdrop G3P600 is one of the most advanced systems available today. Designed to eliminate up to 99% of harmful contaminants including chlorine, heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, and microplastics, this system brings you crisp, purified water without the bulk of a traditional tanked row system. What sets it apart is its tankless design, which means no secondary reservoir to worry about, faster water flow, and zero chance of secondary contamination from stagnant tank storage. The 8-stage filtration setup ensures multiple layers of protection and refinement, including sediment filtration, carbon block filtration, reverse osmosis membrane, and more, all engineered for maximum purity and taste. One of the standout features of the G3P600 is its 2:1 pure water to wastewater ratio, which is far more efficient than most traditional row systems. This means you waste less water while producing more clean drinking water, a big win for eco-conscious households and for lowering your water bill in the long run. It's ideal for homes that use a lot of filtered water for cooking, drinking, coffee, tea, or even watering delicate plants. The system is NSF/ANSI 42, 58, and 372 certified, meaning it's independently tested for chlorine reduction, reverse osmosis performance, and lead-free safety standards. These certifications are crucial because they confirm that the G3P600 meets rigorous quality and health standards for home water filtration. You're not just buying a premium-looking unit, but one with serious filtration credibility and protection for your household. Installation is straightforward, especially for a high-tech system like this. The undersink design is compact and well-organized, making it suitable even for smaller kitchens. You won't need a professional installer unless you prefer one, and everything you need for a DIY setup comes in the box. The Smart LED faucet not only looks sleek with its brushed stainless steel finish, but it also displays the TDS, Total Dissolved Solids, level in real time and alerts you when it's time to replace the filters. This level of intelligence makes it easy to stay on top of maintenance and ensure you're always drinking clean water. Filter life is another strong point here. The composite filter and row membrane are designed to last a long time, typically 6 to 12 months depending on usage. And when replacement is needed, the twist and pull system makes changing filters quick and mess-free, no tools required. Water output is also impressive. It delivers up to 600 gallons per day, enough to meet the demands of families, busy kitchens, and even small offices without a drop in performance. Water pressure remains strong and consistent, so filling bottles, pots, or jugs is fast and convenient. Beyond its core performance, the Waterdrop G3P600 also has built-in safety features like leak detection, automatic shutoff, and overwork protection, so you can use it daily without worrying about failure or flooding. And because it's tankless and designed with minimal tubing, it also takes up less space and reduces points of failure compared to bulkier setups. The system runs quietly and doesn't disrupt your kitchen environment, making it easy to forget it's even there, until you take a sip of crystal-clear water. So to wrap it up, the Waterdrop G3P600 reverse osmosis system offers premium water filtration in a sleek, tankless, and smart design. With its 8-stage system, NSF certifications, ultra-efficient 2:1 water ratio, long filter life, and built-in TDS monitoring via LED faucet, it's a reliable, low-maintenance upgrade for any household that cares about water quality. If you want great tasting, safe, and filtered water on demand, this system is absolutely worth a look. Click the link below for the best price.